Bonjour à tous, hello everyone, welcome back to the French Made Easy podcast. This is episode number 186, numéro 186. In today's episode, we are continuing our listen and repeat pronunciation series, and this time we are focusing on the French vowel sound U. U. That is the sound that you'll hear in words like tu or la rue. So here's how it works. I will say some French words and sentences where the U sound appears, and your job is pretty simple. You just listen carefully and you repeat after me. This listen and repeat technique helps you train your ear and build muscle memory so you can eventually feel more confident when you speak French. Now, to help you follow along, make sure you download your free cheat sheet. It includes all the sentences and the English translation. You'll find all the links in the episode notes. So let's start with 5 French words that contain the sound U. Repeat after me. Tu. That means you. Tu. Le jus. That's juice. Le jus. Le bureau, office, le bureau, la rue, street, la rue, la jupe, skirt, la jupe. Okay, très bien. Now, let's practice with full sentences. Please repeat after me. Est-ce que tu veux plus de sucre? Do you want more sugar? Est-ce que tu veux plus de sucre? Luc boit du jus d'orange. Luc drinks some orange juice. Luc boit du jus d'orange. Il prend le bus pour aller au bureau. He takes the bus to go to the office. Il prend le bus pour aller au bureau. Ma voiture est garée dans cette rue. My car is parked on this street. Ma voiture est garée dans cette rue. Elle porte un pull et une jupe. She's wearing a jumper and a skirt. Elle porte un pull et une jupe. Okay, so that's it for our sentences. Now, if any of these felt a little bit tricky, feel free to go back, pause, and replay them. Repetition really is key to improving your pronunciation. So that's it for today's short and sweet episode. Don't forget to download your free lessons cheat sheet. It includes all the French sentences and their English translations to help you follow along more easily. Thank you so much for practicing with me, and I'll see you in the next episode. À bientôt. Bye. Now, before you go, if you are just starting your French grammar journey and you are not sure where to begin, I've created something just for you. It is called the French Grammar Essentials Checklist for Beginners, and it will help you keep track of what you already learned, what you need to focus on next, and how to stay organized as you go. You can download the checklist from the show notes. It is completely free. Go grab it, and I'll see you in the next episode. À bientôt. Bye.